Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Last week I posted a video where I reviewed all my colorful Chanel classic flap bags. I reviewed every single color from my collection, and I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you haven't watched it, I will link it down in the description box below. And in today's video, I'll be talking about my black Chanel classic flap bags that I use very often, and I will review every design, the size, and I hope that you will like this video. By the way, guys, if you like my content, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Dior, jewelry, beauty products, and travel vlogs. I will start with my jumbo, and it's a first classic flap bag that I purchased for myself. I actually posted quite a few videos about it, which I will link down in the description box below. I usually style this bag with my big jackets and coats, and I usually wear it to work. I like the look of it and the fact that it can fit in so many objects. It's very convenient, but I don't think I would be adding this size to my collection. I feel like one is more than enough for me, but I'm glad that I got this size in a black color. Next up is this medium flap that I bought, I believe, in 2017. If I'm not mistaken, it was part of the 17B collection, but I could be wrong. I bought it around September, October time, and this bag was more expensive than the standard classic flap, but I'm so happy that I got it in my collection, and I love the brushed gold hardware. It's so unique, and this bag still looks brand new. It's made of calfskin. It's pretty durable, and I don't have any scratches on it whatsoever, and I have been using it quite a lot. I also posted quite a few pictures of it on my Instagram account. I usually wear it with all black outfits and my beige and black Chanel sling bags that I love a lot. I'm very happy that I have this rare design in my collection. If I hesitated back then, I probably would never be able to find it. I have never seen it on the pre-loved market before. It's so rare and special to me, and I think I could add something similar to my collection if I will see a design like that by Chanel in the future. Let's see, but this bag is one of my favorites. Moving on to this medium Chanel classic flap bag in caviar that I purchased in 2017 in Hong Kong. I love this bag so much, and initially I wanted to get this bag with the gold hardware, but it's so rare, it's so hard to find. And my mom and I were traveling to Hong Kong, and I went to Chanel. I saw this bag and I just decided to pick it up. Plus the price in Chanel Hong Kong is so much better than in Chanel Singapore. And I definitely miss those good old days when we could travel easily and just shop in other countries in Asia. Hopefully we will be able to do that again very soon. But this bag is very sturdy. I'm very surprised that it still looks brand new even after I used it so often. I used to travel with it. I worn it to work. I ran errands with it. I worn it during weekends as well. I love this bag a lot, and I'm very grateful that I have it in my collection, and I can't believe how much I paid for it versus how much it costs right now. It's just unbelievable. And I'm actually happy that I have it in silver hardware because I picked up the small flap in the gold hardware. And this bag I bought in Singapore in Takashimaya, and I'm very pleased with the quality of leather from that season. I believe I bought it in 2018. I like that the leather is very sturdy and is actually very shiny. And some of you guys often ask me whenever I upload the pictures with it on my Instagram account, you usually ask me if this bag is made of lambskin, but actually no, it's made of caviar. And I like the fact that the hardware of the bag is in gold. As much as I love the light gold hardware, I still feel like the yellow gold hardware is so much prettier and it just looks the best with the black color. And to me, that's a proper combination. So I'm hoping that Chanel will not discontinue it. Some of my older bags have yellow gold hardware, but it seems like Chanel has been focusing on light gold hardware past few years. I think maybe from 2019. So let's see. The next up in my collection is this gorgeous reissue, and the only reissue that I have in my collection. This one is in the small size, and I bought it in December of 2018, if I'm not mistaken. It was part of the pre-fall collection, but the cost of this bag was so high, so it didn't get sold out very fast. But I'm so happy that I bought it because it's so rare. Chanel doesn't have this kind of designs anymore. Whatever is coming out is nowhere near as beautiful as what Carl designed, and I like all the charms. They are so pretty, and I like that they are in different metals, so actually I can match it with many of my jewelry. And the hardware is in the brush gold, which I like. The only thing is with reissues that I don't really like is that the handles leave the imprint on the inner flap, which is not great, but I don't know how to prevent it. I store my bags with the inserts inside, but I think when I wear my bags, this is what's happening. And the next bag in my collection is this rectangular mini. It's actually the latest addition to my collection, and I love this bag so much. I actually wear it almost every single day, and I posted quite a lot of pictures on my Instagram account with it. I like that it's so easy to carry it, it's so light. It goes well with dresses, with jackets, with jeans, with trousers. It's so versatile, and I can fit in as many items as I need to carry with me, even though it's a tiny bag. By the way, guys, you have previously requested that I wear this bag for at least 6 months and I record a review video for this bag. I'm planning to do it later this week. I will be discussing the new quality of lambskin leather, what I think about it. I will talk about the hardware, what I usually fit in, and whether I would still buy it again if I had a chance. I hope that you will find this video useful. And by the way, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I love this bag, and I find it easy to match with my jewelry that I have. Even though I mostly wear yellow gold jewelry, I think it would be perfect if it had yellow gold hardware, but light gold is still fine. This bag is perfect for going out, running errands. I'm not sure if I would be traveling with it because it's made of lambskin. It's a lot more delicate than caviar. I prefer to travel with my caviar bags, but let's see. I'm not sure if Chanel will ever produce a rectangular mini in black and caviar again. Probably not, but I guess we have to wait and see. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you found this video useful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!